Hello, this is Johnny B. Bad, 661 John FK page again. Remember how my bike got pushed over from that potential vandalism and people just being pure fucking assholes? You know, when you tamper with a motorcycle or anybody's vehicle and they end up in their bike, in their car ends up getting in an accident, or their motorcycle gets in an accident, and they find out it comes from being tampered with too much, you could be charged with potential vehicular homicide or manslaughter. Tampering with a vehicle that is not yours, you end up getting somebody hurt. And I'll show you how much it cost here. I took a picture of the invoice. Y'all need to really fucking stop that shit. Okay? You really need to fucking stop that shit. It was bullshit. Here it is. It's finished now. And time to get her on the road. Have a good one. Maybe another video blog here soon.